Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to STEAM for Earth. I'm Miss Ray. I'm a librarian at the Los Angeles Public Library from the Echo Park branch, and I'm also a neighborhood scientist. April showers bring us May flowers, but April showers also bring us something many of us don't like to have around us, the mosquitoes. Today, we have two special guests from the Greater Los Angeles Vector Control District joining us for this program as part of the Global Citizen Science Month. They're going to tell you a story about mosquitoes and teach you some very useful tips to prevent getting bitten by mosquitoes and becoming their favorite meal. First, I would like to introduce Ms. Helen, the community liaison from the Central LA region of the Greater LA County Vector Control District.
Hi, everyone.
Also joining us is Mr. Gregory, the Education Program Coordinator of the famous SWAT Lab, a mobile science RV educating students on public health in the world of vector control.
Hello, everyone.
Now let's turn our attention to Miss Helen and Mr. Gregory, because they are going to tell us a mosquito story and share a fun activity you can do at home.
Thank you, Ray, for having us. Again, my name is Helen Kwan, and I'm with the Greater LA County Vector Control District. And I'm actually going to be showing you guys a little bit about ourselves by sharing my screen. So let me go ahead and do that. So again, I'm with Vector Control. It's a very long name, I know. But again, we're a public health agency whose mission is to control mosquitoes because they are the world's most deadliest animal because of the diseases they transmit. So as you can see here on the screen, you can see how many people mosquitoes can kill in a year. A lot, right? So vector control for Greater LA covers a very big portion of LA County, all the way from Santa Clarita to the bottom of Long Beach, and it stretches far east as Diamond Bar, as you can see on the map. So again, we focus on mosquito-borne diseases and prevention. We're an independent special district, just like a public, just like a water district. We service 35 cities and unincorporated areas of LA County and about 6 million residents. So I also want to talk about California Awareness Week, which is actually happening now between April 19th and April 25th. It happens every year. So we want to bring awareness to mosquitoes and how you guys can prevent mosquitoes from your home. So from tipping and tossing any standing water, whether it be indoors and outdoors, removing or scrubbing or flipping over any containers that can hold standing water. Mosquitoes need water to grow, so it's important to get rid of that. You can also drill at the bottom of open containers to let water pour through. And if not, there's always handy dandy mosquito dunks, which you can get at your local hardware store to get rid of that. So we want to remind you to fight the bite and get rid of any standing water in and around your home. Now, a little about what we do with vector control. So we have 3 different departments, from disease surveillance, who actually monitor mosquito populations and abundance. So we see what kinds of diseases that mosquitoes can transmit. We also have mosquito management, where they do inspections and service requests from property owners. So anyone can actually call in for property inspections. We also do source reduction and treatments in public spaces like gutters, riverbeds, and any public spaces like our public parks. And lastly, we do outreach and communications. So just like we're putting on this webinar with the public LA library, we're able to provide education and tools and resources for residents to learn about how to get rid of mosquitoes and mosquito populations. We also have an education program called the SWAT Lab. SWAT Lab stands for Standing Water Action Team, because we're out there getting rid of that standing water and educating residents, right? So it's a fun and educational activities that provide like a school on wheels with an RV. So we actually have a mobile RV that goes to different schools throughout LA County and teaches about environmental sustainability, vector control, and public health. And we have 2 awesome education program coordinators who actually go out there and teach. We have Francis and we have Gregory. And Mr. Gregory is actually going to be joining us today, and he's going to be reading us a book about how mosquitoes can't bite ninjas. So I'm actually going to go ahead and stop sharing my screen and pass it over to Mr. Gregory. Mr. Gregory, please go ahead and read us the book about how mosquitoes can't bite ninjas.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Helen. Hello, everyone. My name is Greg, and I'm one of the education program coordinators, and I'm coming from the Greater Los Angeles County Vector Control District. And today I'm going to have the privilege to read you one of my favorite books, Mosquitoes Can't Bite Ninjas, a book by Jordan P. Novak. Oh, wow. Look, everyone's over here at the picnic party. So mosquitoes bite all kinds of people. They bite swimmers, chefs, old ladies with blue hair. They even bite babies. But as hard as they try, they can never bite. What do you guys think they can never bite? Let's find out. They can never bite ninjas. Oh, that's a cool ninja. Oh, look, there's a ninja right there relaxing next to a tree. Let's see what happens next. See, mosquitoes are sneaky. But ninjas are sneakier. Mosquitoes are quick. But ninjas are quicker. Mosquitoes try and try and try. But they are no match for a ninja. Silly mosquito can't stand a chance against a ninja. Oh, look, it's a baby ninja and a daddy ninja. See, ninjas don't bite people. They learn not to when they're baby ninjas. Oh, now they're both at a picnic and looks like they're eating and enjoying themselves at a nice park. Oh, there's a mosquito. But every once in a while, when a ninja is very hungry, oh, you can see the ninja's very hungry right there, and he isn't paying attention, not paying attention to his sandwich, and the mosquito gets stuck in the jelly, a ninja can bite. A mosquito. Oh, what? That's funny. He bit the mosquito. The end. Thanks a lot, guys. That's definitely one of my favorite books. I love reading the most. Now, I'm hoping you guys are ready to do one of our cool, awesome activities that I have right here. It's actually a stealthy ninja, but once you open it up, it's a ninja swatting at a mosquito. Here, come and join me along so we can get this activity started. So what you want to make sure that you have is that you guys all want to make sure that you have your color pencils. I have mine right here, and your paper, and a pencil. So I'm gonna put my screen down so you guys can get a better look. All right, so like I was saying, you want to make sure that you have all your equipment. So let's just go over it one more time. You want to make sure you have a pencil, which I have right here, your color pencils or markers or crayons, and your paper. So the first thing you want to do is that you want to make sure that you fold your paper. So I'm going to fold my paper as best as I can, and I'm going to make sure that there's a nice crease. So I'm going to do a good fold, and then with this flap right here, I'm going to make another fold right over here, and I'm going to flip it over and do the exact same thing. Just going to fold it. So now when I open it up, it comes out like this. So let's get our pencil ready and start doing our drawing. So first thing you want to do is make sure that you make a nice big oval. And it doesn't have to be the best drawing. Just do the best that you can. And we're going to draw another oval within this oval right here. And I'm going to put a circle right over here. And this will be the eyes of the ninja. Now I'm going to draw a big half a circle all the way coming down to the end of the page. And there you go. So just a circle like this. And I make another circle right in between the crease on the left side. And I make another circle right in between the crease on the right side. So now we have our ninja right there, almost done. But now we're going to draw our infamous mosquito. So this right here is called an abdomen. So the abdomen actually has 3 stomachs. So mosquitoes, they have 3 stomachs, whereas we have 1 stomach. And now I'm going to draw the wings. And right here is going to be a thorax. And then I'm going to draw a bigger circle to draw the head. And right here are the compound eyes. So the compound eyes, they're different from our eyes because compound eyes could see a 360-degree view. That means they can see in every angle at any time. And they have like 1,000 lenses in just in one eyeball. So now what we're going to do now is we get our color pencils. So make sure you get all your color pencils out. I'm going to use red, black, blue, and some brown. So let's begin with the abdomen. I'm going to draw the abdomen red because that's going to be the blood that mosquitoes take from us. So the way they take our blood is when they bite us, and they bite us with a proboscis. So this right here is a proboscis, and sometimes when they bite us, they could even leave a disease that could get us sick. That's why we always got to protect ourselves from getting bit from mosquitoes and be stealthy and smart, just like a ninja. Now I'm going to get the color black, and I'm going to just start to color in the thorax. I'm going to do a light color on the wings. And you guys want to do the best you can to fit between the lines. If you're not, that's okay, totally fine. This is all for fun. And now I'm going to use blue just to color in the eyes. Now I'm going to get black and just do a quick little overview on all the body of the ninja. Now, I'm not an artist. I wish I could be as talented as you guys. I'm just going to do the best I can right here. And I can later on go over it again and again until I do the best ninja I could possibly do. Now I'm going to do right here the head also. I'm going to add a little bit of color for the skin. All right. So you see right here, now we got ourselves our stuffy ninja that's going to catch and swat the mosquito.
Thank you, Mr. Gregory, for that fun and awesome activity. And you guys can actually go to our resource page at mosquitolab.org, and you can find Mr. Gregory with all his materials that he used today for the activity of the ninja and the mosquito. So here you go. So look at our Mosquito SWAT Lab page or Mosquito SWAT Lab on our Instagram, also available on Twitter.
Thank you so much, Greg and Helen. I learned so much about mosquitoes. I have a quick question. I heard that if I'm getting a lot of mosquito bites in my neighborhood or around my house, the Greater LA County Vector Control District can actually help me get rid of those mosquitoes. Is that true?
Vector Control does provide inspections, but during our normal operating hours. So things are a little bit different right now with COVID-19 present. So Vector Control is actually just currently taking property body inspections. So anything like unmaintained pools or any open space like at a public park. So residents can report large bodies of water like that, and the first step we do ask residents to do is actually take actions themselves. So by eliminating standing water in and around their property, residents have the opportunity to do the actions themselves and prevent mosquitoes from becoming a nuisance. So we encourage residents to check their properties, especially after any rain event. It has been raining a lot. We do have a lot of spring rain and showers, right? Although we do have those beautiful flowers, we don't want to have those mosquitoes biting us. So anything such as plant bowls, plant saucers, pet bowls, buckets, kid toys, anything that's left outside and unmaintained should be properly eliminated so that mosquitoes don't have a biting chance.
Thank you so much for sharing these important tips with us. So everyone out there, now that you've learned more about the mosquitoes, I'd like to invite you and your parents to participate in one of the Los Angeles Public Library's neighborhood science projects to help the NASA scientists and researchers track the spread of mosquitoes in your neighborhood and predict and prevent mosquito-borne disease outbreaks. This project is called the Mosquito Habitat Mapper. You can participate by downloading a NASA Globe Observer app to your smart device, create an account, choose the Mosquito Habitat Mapper tool, and go on to a mosquito habitat hunt. Follow the instructions in the app and identify mosquito habitats in your home or backyard. When you find a place or thing that is possibly a good home for mosquitoes, record that using the app and submit your observations. Then make sure to tip and toss any containers or dry out a spot that holds standing water. That way, you can also prevent mosquitoes from making your house, backyard, or community their home sweet home.
That's right. Thank you, Miss Ray. And also, please don't forget when you're out there to use your insect repellent so that mosquitoes don't bite you and you can enjoy doing your mosquito hunts in the backyard.
That's right. Make sure you remember all the tips from Miss Helen and Mr. Gregory so you don't get bitten by the mosquitoes while you're having fun. If you want to learn more about Los Angeles Public Library's Neighborhood Science Program, please visit our website at lapl.org/STEAM/NISCI, like neighborhood science. Before we go, I have a big favor to ask everyone who's watching today. Please help us improve our program by completing a survey. Here is the link to the survey. You can also find the link on the Facebook post. Thank you so much to both Greg and Helen and everyone for joining us today. If you like our program today, don't forget to follow Echo Park Branch Library on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And we will see you next time. Bye.